In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate camera to 3D AutoCAD. If you've ever felt stuck looking at your drawing from just one angle, this quick walkthrough will show you two simple, built-in ways to rotate your view and explore your model in 3D. We'll start by turning on a handy on-screen tool, and then I'll show you a fast mouse shortcut that works from anywhere in the drawing area. First, look to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Click there, type NAV ViewCube, and press Enter. This command controls the navigation ViewCube, which is AutoCAD's visual controller for changing viewpoints. When prompted, select On and confirm. Turning it on makes the ViewCube visible so you can use it right away without digging through menus. If you ever need to toggle it again in the future, remember that same command and choose the setting you want. Once it's on, a navigation cube appears in the top right corner of your drawing area. This is your view cube. It represents the model's orientation, and it's designed to make 3D navigation straightforward. Click the faces of the cube, like top, front, or right, to instantly snap to those standard views. Click the edges to get angled views between faces, which is great for inspecting transitions. And click the corners to jump to isometric perspectives that show depth and proportion more clearly. The cube updates as you change views, so you always have a sense of direction. If your drawing feels off-center after a few changes, just keep using the cube's faces and corners to reorient without losing context. There's also a fast, fluid way to orbit the view without touching the cube. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then press and hold the middle mouse button, the scroll wheel button. While holding both, move your mouse, and you'll pivot the camera around the model in real time. This is an intuitive way to look around details, check clearances, or inspect geometry from any angle. Release the buttons to stop orbiting and continue working. This method is especially handy when you want to make small adjustments to the view without switching tools or taking your eyes off the drawing. And that's it. By turning on the ViewCube with NAV ViewCube and using the Shift plus middle click shortcut, you can confidently rotate your camera and navigate your model in 3D. Practice both methods a few times, and soon you'll move through your drawings naturally and efficiently.